Guys, we're doing it. It's been long awaited, so at least with a 3-month trial, we might have to make a pay cut.
I'm sure I'll be the one.
Yeah, that's fine.
Hi everybody, Chuck and Glenn here, coming to you from the Link Lighting Showroom in Altamont Springs. And you'll probably notice we got the whole staff here. We've got Shane, we've got Teddy, we've got Bill, and we have Mike. All of us assembled because the announcement is so big.
It is.
I'll let you take it.
All right. Guys, this is a huge announcement. We've been trying to figure out how to do this for a while, and I think we got it figured out. Effective immediately, every order over $500 is going to ship free.
Are you kidding me?
Every order over $500 is going to ship free. Free shipping on everything. Doesn't matter what it is, wire, transformers, doesn't matter how heavy. If it's over $500, we're going to ship it for free. Now, this is a 3-month trial, all right? If it works perfect, it stays. We might need to tweak things, we'll see, but we're going to start with a 3-month trial.
And that's $500, right?
Not $490.
$480 right now. Is that going to work?
No, $500. Because we joke about that, but we're going to get people go, wow, you charged me for freight. It was real close. We got to have a cutoff. It's $500.
And we'll work with you to get
make sure you're not just short, right? All right. So guys, this is real exciting. It's going to save everybody a bunch of money out there. We appreciate your support. That's why we wanted to do this so much. So effective immediately when you get this video, order $500 or more, and it ships free freight. All right.
Heavily discounted orders may be subject to shipping.
Guys, thank you so much for everything. And of course, as always,
Call us first.
That's right.